Good morning, Ashley Tolan from the law offices of Stephen Weir. We have Chris Lemig here from True Nature Hypnotherapy to talk to us a little bit about what he does and how we can incorporate hypnotherapy in our acts. So this is Chris. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Okay, cool. Sounds good. First of all, thanks everybody for having me here today, taking a little bit of time. Really excited. I love talking about hypnosis. I love talking about what I do. So it's really a blast for me to do this. So again, my name is Chris Lemig. A little background on me. So how did I get into hypnosis and hypnotherapy? Well, before this, I had a really boring job. I had something just totally run-of-the-mill. I was a Tibetan Buddhist monk living in India.